Moneymaker Bandits, always popular. Early bird special. Be sure to like, subscribe, click the bell icon. Moneymaker Bandit, the #1 ranked early bird special pro sports capper in the world. Start your day with the winner with Bandits early bird special. And if you've been losing all day, you need a winner, Bandits got your back with the late night special. Yesterday, March 11th, Bandit with the early bird special winner, and the late night special, Texas tied 21-21 first quarter. Bandit's probably going to go 2-0 early bird late night special for March 11th. Early bird special for March 12th. Ohio State versus Purdue early bird special. Bandit's playing Ohio State first half money line. Ohio State first half on the money line. Moneymaker Bandit, king of 1-minute videos, making you money in 1 minute. Moneymaker out.